unique 2-acre property with breathtaking bay views. Stately-looking brick with stucco accents and side entry garage. Ceilings range from 8 foot to 15 foot high, lots of built-in storage, plant ledges and transom windows. Most living areas face green pool. Corian counters in kitchen, walk-in pantry, laundry room, formal and informal dining, formal living with fireplace. Family room is also a soundproof theater room and equipment stays. Split master suite includes wet bar, sitting area, deluxe bath plus exercise room, offers perfect with built-in bookcases. Home has 2 heat, air systems and water heaters. One is electric and one is gas. Home is wired with monitored security system, intercom, surround sound. Pre-wired for generator. Separate building for lawn tools. RV pad has water, electric and sewer connection. Well supplies water for sprinkler system. Lot includes manicured lawn and several pecan trees as well as several oaks hundreds of years old. This